Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner work. Is some inner work, some tweaking we need to do at this moment. You are the world's greatest teacher. Everyone's waiting for your class to start so we can learn this new information that we have. But for a lot is given, a lot is actually expected. So make sure that you are the actual image of qualifications for this new level. Do not be selfish, be selfless. Continue to walk in your power and not in your primal or your selfish or human mind. I need you to be in your kundalini awakening, your higher awakening, your highest dimension, your spirit self. God brings me ideal situations for my inner healing. You're being tested as I become aware of my weaknesses. I turn them into strengths because you're an all-powerful being. And I direct my thoughts towards light, and I see the positive side of every stage of light. Darkness turns to courage. Thus I get stronger. Therefore, I can maintain bigger and better blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.